for those who don't know me yet, my name is Ingrid. Today I have a special guest with me.
Hello, I'm Courtney with Courtney on Instagram.
So thank you for tuning in a new episode of I Think It. Today we are going to be making vegan-friendly chocolate chip cookies, and I have her with me, which I'm very excited for.
Yes, we're going to be using one of my personal favorite recipe creators, Chocolate Covered Katie. If you haven't heard of her, go follow her because she has some awesome treats on there that are allergy-friendly and all vegan.
So as all of you know, I struggle with food allergies, even though I find chocolate covered cake recipes to be the most allergy-friendly ones, and also they happen to be very similar to the regular treats we grew up eating before. So they're so good. Today we are also going to be talking a bit more about the Nourished Festival, which is coming to Dallas on September 7th and September 8th.
Can't wait. Yeah, we're excited because they are coming and we're going to do a giveaway so you can join us.
Yes, and we both are going to be there. She has been helping me so much trying to figure out which restaurants to go here in the Dallas area and also which ingredients to use to cook, which has been so helpful.
I'm so glad.
Yeah.
That's what I love to do. There's so many great vegan spots in Dallas and nobody knows, I feel like. We gotta get the word out because it's easy to be vegan in Dallas.
I thought it was gonna be very hard, but it's been easier for me, but also I enjoy cooking at home, so stay tuned to learn how we're going to bake these amazing cookies.
Can't wait. Alright guys, we're going to dive into the ingredients we're using, and I definitely want to start by telling you about Enjoy Life that is going to make these chocolate chip cookies sparkle because they're totally vegan friendly and allergen friendly. It's amazing that these chocolate chips are good for people like Ingrid that has serious allergies and she doesn't have to worry about having treats. So it's exciting because Nourished Fest is going to have them there. They're actually one of the sponsors because people know that they can go to their products and feel safe. They're one of the top OGs in allergy-friendly baking goods.
Yeah, they're so perfect. Sure. So it's vegan and gluten-free, which is amazing. So you are not going to have any reactions. Trust me.
And it's going to taste good. Win-win.
Perfect. So since I'm also gluten-free, we're going to be using oat flour. I've never cooked with it before, but I'm very excited. You have done it before.
I've made waffles and pancakes and cookies, and it's great. I mean, you can't even tell. I actually really like the flavor and texture better.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And following with our oats, you all know that I love oat milk, so we are going to be using this one too.
Oatly is the OG, guys. I don't know what you're drinking out there, but Oatly's just the best.
So we're also going to be using baking powder and salt.
All the things you need for cookies. And then we're going to add some pure vanilla extract just to give it that nice classic flavor. And then I like to add sprinkles because there can never be too much color, right? And of course, it's just fun to sprinkle on top. We'll have them bake inside too. So you don't just need sprinkles when you have frosting. They can go inside. Just pop of color. Why not? And guess what? They're allergy friendly, so she can have some. No soy. It's actually from a company that I love called Edward & Sons. So check them out.
Perfect.
And then we'll have a little bit of coconut oil.
And that's going to be it for today.
Let's dive in. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by doing a cup. And how adorable are these little measuring cups. We're going to be doing a cup of oat flour. So let's fill this cute little swan up.
We are going to need half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're also going to need 1/4 teaspoons of salt.
So we're going to stir it all up so they get evenly dispersed.
So next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk.
We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. So now we're going to do 2 tablespoons oil. 1, 2.
And then we're just going to go ahead and mix everything. Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and do a small adjustment. Courtney just helped pour in 1 tablespoon of oat milk. And I think that looks a lot better.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to add the best part. Yes.
That is 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Good already. I don't know about you guys, but I love just the plain cookie dough. And that's what's great about vegan treats. They don't have to worry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because there's no raw eggs or anything, or just like, you know, raw milk, which is that stuff goes bad. But with vegan stuff, you don't have to worry about it getting rancid or anything. So many perks to being vegan. All right, guys, now we're just gonna add a teeny itty bit of sprinkles because, again, sprinkles make everything more fun. And from here, we're just gonna form dough balls, but what she asks is that you let it sit in the refrigerator or freeze it for a little bit so it can harden up. So when you do form the dough balls, they stick together a little bit more. They're more firm. So in that time, as we're gonna let this sit and harden, we're gonna get the oven started. All right, guys, now it's time to get out the dough and make individual little dough balls. So we're gonna go ahead and oil the pan before we put them over because we got our oven all ready. So we're gonna go ahead and use the extra oil that we had from the batter.
And we actually had our mix in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Yes.
We already preheat the oven at 350 degrees and we're gonna bake the cookies for only 11 minutes.
It's another great thing about vegan cookies is they don't take as long. So you can enjoy them much faster.
Actually, I never thought of it and that's so true.
Isn't that awesome?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you don't have to worry about like baking all the raw ingredients.
Mm-mm. All right, guys, finished product, and oh, you can only smell through the camera right now.
They actually smell delicious, just like normally chocolate chip cookies.
Same thing.
They're just healthier, and also they are not going to give you a reaction if you have allergies.
Nope. And totally vegan friendly, so no animals involved here. Win-win.
Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try to see if the taste is good, because the smell, it's already amazing.
They're gonna be great. All right.
I'm gonna try this small one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go after this one too. This one's cute. All right, look at that.
Mmm.
And they're perfectly
They're
warm.
actually really good.
Wow. Mm.
I love the chocolate chips. They're so good.
And no worries about your
Yeah, so
allergies.
everything's gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, which is perfect.
And you get the benefit of oats because we use oat flour and oat milk. And the chocolate chips, yeah, no nuts, nothing to worry about there. And we use coconut oil, but you can use other oils too. Coconut is just really nice for baking because it doesn't have too much of a flavor.
And also, I don't know if you knew this, but if you use the normal vegetable oil, that one's gonna have soy. So if you've been reacting to that and you have a soy allergy, that's the reason why. So I will stay away from the vegetable oil and also the soybean. I tend to not cook with oil, but when it comes to baking, I use coconut oil because I think that's the best one.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. Good fats, good protein sources from oats.
I already finished it.
Delicious. So guys, this is a winner. And again, if you want to use Enjoy Life in your baked goods, we highly recommend it. And they're going to be there at the Gluten-Free Festival called Nourished Fest next month. So make sure you enter our giveaway. Follow both of us. Leave a comment on who you're going to bring, and maybe you might win, and we can hang out with you there.
Yes, we
Thanks for
can't
joining,
wait.
guys.
So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Remember to subscribe to both of our channels. So I'm going to leave our YouTube channels in the comment sections below, and also you're going to be able to see them here. So subscribe to I Think It and also to Courtney's YouTube channel.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you next week with a new video. Bye!
Bye!